Is the so-called vampire facial potentially dangerous? The procedure involves drawing a woman's blood, spinning it in a centrifuge to extract platelet-rich plasma, and then injecting it into the face to give the skin a youthful glow. But in a just-released infectious disease alert, health authorities say a spa in Albuquerque may have infected 2 clients with HIV. Kim Kardashian single-handedly made the vampire facial a beauty treatment sensation. This Instagram selfie has been liked 150,000 times since it was first posted in 2013.
Vampire time.
Inside Edition was there as Baywatch actress Donna D'Errico tried out the bloody beauty treatment. She loved the results.
It looks so much better.
But all these famous personalities received the vampire facial from board-certified dermatologists who know how to perform the procedure safely. Unfortunately, vampire facials have become so popular that they're also being offered at spas everywhere. Many of them don't have a license to draw blood, even though needles are used in the procedure. And the facialists lack proper training. Dermatologist Dr. Doris Day.
So there's a few ideas of how this could have happened. One is that they could have gotten the blood mixed up of 2 different patients, one who had HIV and one who didn't. Another is that the device itself may not have been properly sterilized, or they may not have changed the tip. And this is why I always say it's so important to see a board-certified dermatologist